Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x803f800a that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Microsoft Store, go ahead and open that up, should be the best match. And then you want to select the profile icon next to the search bar up at the top where it says sign in, and then select sign in. I'd recommend signing into your Microsoft account. If you have to sign out and then sign back in, you may want to consider that as well if you already were signed in. So that's one thing I'd recommend trying first and then see if that has resolved the problem. Something else we can attempt as well, if you open up the search menu again, type in troubleshoot. Best match will come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, you want to go underneath options and select other troubleshooters. And then underneath other, you want to scroll down and select where it says Windows Store Apps and then the run button. And then again, recommend following along with the on-screen prompts or directions it's looking for. And then once that's done, I want you guys to go underneath apps on the left side. And then on the right, select apps and features. And you want to type in Microsoft Store into the apps list field. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select the advanced options button. Scroll down. Underneath reset, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. This app's data won't be affected. Select repair. And if you're still having a problem, you can select underneath, if this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. You can select the reset button. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. And then once that is done, you do want to go ahead and close out of everything and then restart your computer. And now if you attempt to open up the Microsoft Store, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.